How to create a YouTube channel that will make money for you in 2022 and beyond. It takes just 3 things to create a YouTube channel. First is a Gmail account. Second is a gadget, which could be your mobile phone or a computer. Then the third is access to the internet. If you have these 3 things, you are good to go. Now let's go on and create a channel. The first thing is to click on YouTube app, or you go on Google and type youtube.com. It will bring you to this place. When you come over here, click on this button here and a drop down menu will appear. There are a lot of options here. First one says turn on incognito, add account, and the next option says your channel. So click on your channel and it's going to open for us to create a channel. Over here it says how you would appear. The first thing is your profile picture. So to add a profile picture, all you need is to click on this camera icon here. At the bottom of your phone, there are 2 options. The first one says take a photo. If you want to capture yourself right now and use it as a profile picture, click on the first button. If you want to select a picture from your album, click on the second option that says choose from your photos. So I'll click on it and it opens for us to select a picture. Go on and select the picture you want to use as a profile picture here. So just select one. Now you can adjust the picture. You can zoom it in and zoom it out. Once you set it to your taste, click on this button save and the profile picture will be saved. The next option is your name. The name right here is the name you use in creating your Gmail account. If you are okay having this as your YouTube channel's name, leave it that way. But if you want a different thing for your YouTube channel, then go on and click on this pencil icon and change the name. So I'll click on the pencil icon and change the name. Just clean the existing name and put whatever you like. For example, you want to name your YouTube channel English Teacher. You go on and type the name you want for your channel. So click on save and the name will be changed. Now this name is going to be your channel's name. It's not going to affect your Gmail account. Once you are done, click on the button that says create channel and then we will go on and create channel right now. So this is our YouTube channel and you can see the profile picture and the name we just changed. The next will be to walk you through all the things that are contained here. From the top of the phone, this is the home page. The next button is videos. You don't have any video right now. The next one is playlist. The next following it is channels. The next button is about section. This is where you get to tell us what your channel is all about. Next button here is manage your videos. So this is where you're going to manage your videos. The next button is what you use to access the studio app. The studio app allows you to see the back end of your videos, everything going on your channel. The next button following it is pencil icon. It is what you use to edit your channel. So let's click on the pencil icon. Over here, you have your profile picture, you have the channel banner. Add a channel banner to your channel. You can check my own channel, Chiamaka Okoli, to see how channel banner looks like. The next button is your name. You can change it if you want. And the next following it is add a description. This is where you are going to tell us what your channel is all about and urge people to subscribe to your channel. So let's go on and put up something. So you go on and write what the channel is all about. At the end, remember to urge people to subscribe to your channel. After that, click on OK and it's going to save. Here is something very important you need to pay attention to. That is the privacy. It says keep all my subscription private. Keep all my saved playlist private. You want to leave these 2 buttons on so people do not get to see other channels you are subscribed to. Once you are done updating this, click on this arrow button here. If you scroll to the about section, you will see the description we just wrote here. This link here is the link to your YouTube channel. From the bottom of my phone, the first button here is home page, which is where we are now. The next button following it, this is the button you use to access short videos on YouTube. The next button at the center is plus. It is the button you use to upload videos. If you click on it, the first button says create a short. You have upload a video and go live. So with this button, you can upload videos to your channel once you click on upload a video. Next button is subscription. It's going to show you other channels you are subscribed to. And by the way, if you've not subscribed to my channel, go on my channel, Chiamaka Okoli, and subscribe. I will really appreciate it. If you're getting value from this video, also leave me a thumbs up. And the last button here is library. This is where you get to see videos you've watched in recent time. With this, you have created a YouTube channel for yourself. The next would be to learn how to manage your video. Anytime you want to access your channel, click on the button here, go on and click on your channel and always access your YouTube channel. Now that you've created a YouTube channel, the next would be to learn a lot of things that will help you grow your channel really fast. I got you. I have a bunch of videos on my channel that will show you how to grow your channel, how to get subscribers, and a whole lot of other things. So here is a video that will help you grow your channel really fast. I talked about 5 YouTube channel ideas you should consider, 5 ways to decide what your channel should be about, different ways we make money as YouTubers, how to create YouTube short videos, a whole lot of things, even how to change your YouTube channel name. You want to come over here and watch these videos because they will guide you a lot. I hope you got value from this. Please share this video with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn how to create a YouTube channel with their mobile phone. See you in my next video. Bye.